Now I'm in my son's backyard, and he's got a big tree back here too. So this property also goes back away, and to my knowledge this has not had dirt put on top of it. But you can see that his backyard is limited. You got a pool and a deck and a garage and all that back here. So it might look really nice here in another day or two when it's going to hit about 100 here. So I'm going to do a little detecting back here. We've already done this once. We didn't really find anything but pennies, but we didn't go over it real well. So I'm going to set the camera up and do a little detecting. Part of a toy motorcycle. Okay people, we're at the base of this huge tree. There's tree roots. That's a tree root. And I got a screaming signal. Something right there. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to get it out. So I just try to get a little picture of it. It's just a, looks like a rod. Some type of rod down there. So whatever it is, it's been there for a while. So I'm going to go back and go back to metal detecting. Okay, so I'm giving a signal here. Some type of little toy car. Here's what appears to be another toy motorcycle. Okay, I'm over here by the pool, and I wanted to show you this right here, which appears to be another little motorcycle. There you go. So I'm going to have a collection of those for them down here. Okay guys, I believe that this one is a penny. Probably just a crusty zinc. It feels crusty like a zinc. Okay, this time it's a nickel. Well, this one's a quarter. Not old, but it's a quarter. Just getting ready to leave, and here's another quarter. So 2 quarters.